Understanding, be in the loop. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, be in the loop. Understanding this phrase is key to improving your English fluency, especially in professional and social contexts. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master this expression. Be in the loop is an idiomatic expression that means to be informed or to be kept up to date with information or developments. When someone is in the loop, they know what's going on, they are part of the circle of people who are informed about certain events or decisions. It's especially common in professional settings but can be used informally as well. The phrase likely comes from the idea of being inside a loop or circle where information flows freely among those within it. This metaphorical loop represents a group of people who are privy to certain information, emphasizing the importance of being included in communication channels. Using be in the loop in a sentence is straightforward. It's often used with verbs like stay, keep, or get. For example, please keep me in the loop about the project's progress. I need to get in the loop on the latest updates. It can also be used in the negative form to indicate someone is out of the loop, meaning they are not informed about what's happening. Let's look at a few examples to see how be in the loop is used in real-life contexts. In a company meeting, let's ensure everyone stays in the loop about the changes in our policy. Among friends, I haven't been in the loop about the plans for the weekend. Can someone update me? Understanding and using the phrase, be in the loop, can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's a great tool for expressing the need or the state of being informed. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. Stay in the loop with us for more insightful English language tips.